So we just scored this 2012 police pursuit Charger.
What?
It's got the 5.7 liter Hemi V8.
Show him. Oh, man.
Missing a few things, missing the throttle body, nothing crazy. Overall looks pretty decent shape for its age.
Right.
10 years old. The rear end was hit, but we're taking it home. So.
Yep. And this is what happened to it, which is not terrible, but it's a 12. So the government said, you know what, we got to get some new charges. So,
all right, so
we're about to show y'all what.
No keys. There's no keys in this thing, so you know, that's just kind of how these auctions are. They're all key code alike for our city. So the same radio frequency works on most of these Chargers. They have the same key fob, so they can hop in each other's vehicles. I think they call it fleet key. For a police car, it's a little bit different than your standard Charger. Your standard Charger Challenger, you have a center console with the shifter and a pocket next to the shifter where you can remove the shift lock. It's a button inside that you push to be able to put it in neutral. Police cars are different. We have the shifter on the column. So if you want to put it in neutral, there's actually a small hole here in the knee bolster that you can put a screwdriver in and push a pink detent up here to unlock the shifter. In this specific case, I don't have a long screwdriver with me, so what you can do is grab, pull down like this, and you'll actually see, Mike, you come over here, let me see your camera.
Yep.
You'll see right in here is the shifter assembly with the pink lever. So you're gonna push that button in like that. I'll give you your phone back. And I'm gonna go ahead and shift it out into neutral. And there we are. That's all it takes for a pursuit Charger to get it into neutral.
Sweet. Does that unlock the steering wheel too, or?
But the steering wheel is not locked on this car. So
Oh, really?
See, yeah.
Okay. Is that like all cop cars, or?
A lot of the Chargers are like that, actually. They don't
Really?
have a lot of locks.
Huh.
So we're good as far as that goes. Now we just need to winch her up.
That's it. Easy peasy. Let's hope.